Hello mga kahalakak, kamusta kayo? Welcome back to my channel again, Kate Suknet Vlog. And today video, we are going to Mount Lavinia Beach. Okay, see you later. So hello mga kahalakak, we are here at Mount Lavinia Beach. So, kadadaan lang ng train. Ayun. And let's see. Make sure that we're going to check left and right. Ayan. So, ito yung entrance. Ayan. Ano sila?
Hello!
Hi! How are you? Ayan. Diba? Bunga pa naman. Tapos, ayan. May rules or contact number if you are here at Mount Lavinia. So, here we go. May snorkeling sila dito, boat ride. So, diba, bongga? Yes. If you wanna go for the boat ride, ayan, taray. And the good thing here is they have a lifeguard. Ayan sila, oh. Let's go.
You got no shares, Brendan and Jen?
Oh, mga ka-baby.
The cheap price. Buy one dangle.
No, I have already. Thank you. I just take the video. Yes. And sa mga shells. Oh, it's good. And display sa bahay. O, diba? Sa mga entrance. Ganun. So, may toys shop din sila dito. Ayan. Bongga, diba? So, they have a lifeguard here in Mount Lavinia. First time I saw beach here in Sri Lanka with the lifeguard. Natakot ako, may dumaan na aso. Nagulat ako, Diyos ko. Ayan o. Kaya pa. And then may mga laruan ng bata dito. Cute na. Nakabili na kami. Oh. Cute. So nakabili na rin kami ng Sandora. Ayan. Yung sa right or left side ng beach. Ayan. So doon yung entrance. Diyan tayo nang galing. So pumasok tayo dito. We come inside and then this is the front side of the lifeguard area. And then may mga restaurant silang katabi. Oh, diba? Bongga. Ayan. So may mga naglalaro ng photo. Mga lalaki, of course. And that's the beach area. Diba? Bumabaw na kasi ang araw. Kanina ang kinit-kinit dito. Alubit na naman ako. Ayan. Like Antigua. Everywhere. Antigua. Symbolize of freedom. Alright. May pa-heart shape. Tinda din pala sila dito ng mga t-shirt, pants. There you go. Halina kayo, puntahan na natin ang aking pamilya. Ayan, dito tayo. Mamaganda lang tayo, di ba? Taray. Hello mga kalakak, kamusta ang buhay-buhay ninyo? Masaya lang tayo with the family. Focus with the family. Charot! Let's go to the beach! Let's go to the beach! Beach, beach, beach! Hi, Chacho! Are you coming? So, may mga restaurant din sila dito. Pag mayaman-yaman kayo, punta kayo sa restaurant. Pero ang mahal na kasi ng taxes dito. Ayan o, may restaurant, Catamaran Beach, Catamaran Resort and Seafood. Yan. And of course, that's the Mount Lavenia Hotel. Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Come on, Jetro! Come on, Shane! Yeah, but don't go in the sea, eh? Come on, Jetro! Hey! He got scared with the wave of the beach. Natanggal yung sombrero ko, yung sumpa lumabas. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Woo! Woo! Another way. Oh, no, saya na siya. So we are here now at Mount Lavenia Beach and we're having a picnic. We have a cucumber, sliced cucumber with vinegar and pepper and salt. Mother make a sandwich and Jetro also egg sandwich. There is Jetro and Shane is there. And we have here still kalabalan na asahite. We have some spaghetti. Mommy make it. Fruits. We have a fruits here. Hello guys. Hi Yummy. Hi Shane. And hi from me. We're here at Mount Lavenia Beach. O, diba? So I got tea. Also, we're gonna make a tea today here at the beach. Bring also Coca-Cola. I forgot to buy alcohol. Maybe later in that restaurant, at least one beer to finish the day. Diba? Ayan! Ang hirap talaga kapag bata ang mga kasama. Nakaka-stress. Ayan. Nakailang ulit na kami linis ng aming banig. Kain tayo mga kahalakhak. Ako, yung mga crowd. Nice. So nice. What is that? Wow. Look at that toys.
Mommy,
Yes, baby.
go.
Let's go. Where are we going? drink something. Hey! Hey, muko ka rin. Hey, muko ka rin. Ah!
Mommy, enough! Don't bring it there.
I'm a Filipina living in Sri Lanka. Of course, I drink the tea. Dami ng tao. Now is 6 o'clock in the evening here at Mount Lavinia. And the status of the beach area is full now, especially on that side. There's too much people. They're having some party there with the lights and everything. Yes, with the sunset. Yes, and another. La mommy? Are you happy? Jeju, what happened? There is a party there. Yes, there is a party over that side. Yeah, we should go in that party, right? Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes. Where are you going? Pika restaurant. So there you go mga kahalakhak. We'll see you again in the next video. Bye mga kahalakhak. See you again. Don't forget to follow me in my page, Kate of Vlog Vlog, and to my YouTube. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll see you again next time. Bye bye.